Text blocks are the primary means of adding text to your site. You can use text blocks to add headings, links, lists, quotes, and pre-formatted text. To get started, edit a page or post, click Add Block, and then select Text Block. Here you can add your text and then highlight any portion to change the format, sizing, and text style using the toolbar. To further customize your text, use the Design tab to change the font, spacing, weight, color, and more. Or choose from a variety of font packs of curated fonts that would look good together by clicking the Font Pack box. With Fluid Engine, you can now move, resize, and layer text blocks with other blocks to add details about images and more. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.